Google is currently testing a software solution that will fully restore the fast loading functionality of its Pixel 2016 smartphones after users reported slower upload speeds following the recent update to Android 9 Pie. Some third-party charging plugs no longer quickly load the Pixel XL in the same way they did before the launch of Pie. Google says that its own integrated charger and other certificates for USB power delivery should still deliver fast charging as usual. Assuming that the update is verified and tested successfully, it will be available in the coming weeks. We are aware of a problem whereby USB-C chargers that are not power delivery PD no longer quickly load Pixel and Pixel XL 2016 after the update to Android 9 Pie, said a Google spokesperson. The 18W fast charger included in the box is a PD charger and it does not show this behavior. We are verifying a solution for USB-C chargers without PD and we will implement it in the coming weeks. Most of the reports about the problem refer to Pixel XL, but it seems that Google has realized that the bug also affects the smaller and regular Pixel in some cases.